This radiator support broke whenever we hit a deer, and it's probably a $350 to $400 replacement to get a new part. So I'm going to show you how to fix it for free using plastic welding. Use sandpaper or a knife to make sure your surfaces are clean where you can weld them together. A good stiff knife can really clean this up as well. This plastic has fibers in the composition of the plastic, but it's still very fixable. With everything clean with the sandpaper, let's spray it down with rubbing alcohol. Here's a piece that broke off from down below, and we're going to use this kind of as a TIG welding stick to add more material to this joint. Make sure this lines up exactly where it was before, and this is very similar to welding. We're going to put tack welds to keep everything in place, and then once everything is in place, we can fill in the welds. Make sure your tip is really clean before you start using it. You get all your tack welds in place first before you really start the welding process. Now we're going to start filling this in, adding as much plastic as we can and really going deep into these welds. Make sure you get both sides of the weld. With all these glass fibers, you just need to work them in and get them in place and build up as much plastic as you can so we get a strong joint. Getting these fibers in the joints is really what gives you a lot of strength, and it's really important to get those placed. Then you can mat everything and smooth it out with the top of the iron. You can see using the side of the iron really helps to smooth this out. It's almost unnoticeable, the crack that was here before. Using a file is a great way to smooth this over so we can get a better finish. With a sanding block, we can just smooth over the surface and finish it up. Other than the roughed up finish here, you wouldn't be able to tell there was a crack. Everything is welded together, and this is so much better than what it was before. This is a $350 part that we just fixed for free with a soldering iron. So we're not going to clean up the part underneath here because you don't see it, but this looks really, really good.